artists and designers, we are going to talk about the design process. So you can see the design process here, and you'll see that the arrows point to the next step. And there are 5 steps in the design process that we use when we're creating things. So we have ask, imagine, plan, create, and improve. But what we've got to remember is that sometimes once we go through that cycle one time, we might need to go through it a few times to get our final project. Let's talk a little bit about each of those areas. So the design process all starts with a question. We ask a question. Sometimes that question is given to us by a teacher or in a job or a parent, but they could be questions that you come up with too. How can I make my toy car go faster? How can I build a tower that stands on its own? How can I design a better backpack that has all my snacks that I need for the day? Or how can I make a hat that fits my head? These are all the questions that we can start with that give us an idea that we have a problem to solve. The next thing we need to do is use our thinking to imagine different solutions. Here's another word we can use here sometimes is brainstorming. And we will imagine as many different possible solutions as possible, not just one. We have to think of all the ideas here. I could make a ramp. I could do some research. I don't know enough about this question. I need to understand more things. I can start with a strong base to build my tower. I could build my tower out of blocks or straws. Or what else could I build my tower out of that I have available? How many pockets do I need on my backpack to fit all my snacks? Would those pockets go on the outside, on the inside, on top? Where could those pockets go? Once you've thought through all the possible solutions, you do then pick one, because then we need to make a plan. And we just want to make a plan with one idea to start. So we'll pick one of your many ideas and we start to plan. We'll think about what materials do we need to solve this and to make our plan actually happen. We'll think about if you run out of materials, what are other options you could use? You would also draw maybe a plan on a piece of paper so that you remember and can think about your idea as you're creating it. Where are things going to go? Once you have a good plan, then we get to create and design and make our design. We get to this is the point where we get to build the tower or make the ramp or the hat, whatever it is that we've decided. And we use our plan and we start to build our product. Okay? Then we need to make sure that product is actually working, right? So we'll test our product. Does the hat really fit on my head? Does the tower stand up without me having to hold it? Does the car go fast? Does it go as fast as I wanted it to, or could it go even faster? Once you test it, you'll want to think of a couple ways of how you could improve your design. There is always a way we can improve things. So could you make your ramp a little steeper so the car goes even faster and further? Can you make your tower taller? Can you make your hat more stable on your head? How can you improve your design? And once you've decided how to improve it, you get to go through this cycle another time. So I want my car to go faster. That's the question. How do I make my car go even faster this time? And we imagine solutions. We make a plan, create, make the change, right? Adjust, and then see if there's anything else we need to do. And then finally, when you've gone through that cycle a few times, you have a final product, and hopefully it's something that